Hey, what's up everyone? So today we're taking a look at a brand new power washer from Power Products USA. So what sets this apart from every other power washer is that it runs off of a 36 volt lithium ion battery. That's what makes it extremely portable. Let's get this review started. Alright, so here is everything that you are going to get out of the box. Very portable unit right here. Now this is a DIY unit, so if you're looking to blow mud off of your equipment or clean the entire outside of your business, move along. This is not for you. It's more for a DIY use. But 1300 PSI on this portable little unit here. Now I'm going to set everything up on this unit because I'm sure that people coming to watch this video probably wonder how you use this thing. So I'm going to show you that first, then I'll show you how it works. But all you got to do is pop that back piece off right there, take that plug out, and then insert your charger unit right there. Let that charge up for about 4 hours. Once it's charged up, it's ready to go. That's all you got to do. No gasoline, no cords, nothing. Once you're done charging, put that cap right back on and then attach the back of the unit again. Now the hose that you get with this is 20 feet long. You just attach it to the side like so. Screw that in, make sure it's tight. Alright, now once you get this nice and snug, all you got to do is take the wand here and connect them like this. You just put it in, twist to the right, and it locks it in tight. Now just connect your hose to the gun itself. Hook up the water in the back right here. Very simple to do, and that's it. You are ready to go. Now there is one more step that you can do here. This is the organizer, the holder for the wand and all that good stuff. All you got to do is screw this down here on the top like so. Me personally, even though it does a good job holding everything in, it just seems to stick out a little bit too far for me. They do give you a screwdriver that you can attach this with. You just throw a couple screws down in. But I'm worried about maybe catching that on something, breaking it, and it just takes away from the look of this thing. I just think it looks really cool, so I might actually leave that off. But it is there for you to put all of your hoses and your wand, your gun, and all that good stuff right in there, store it up. Me personally, I just kind of like it without it. Alright, you're only going to get one tip inside of this wand here. You can open and close it by turning left and right on the wand itself. This also comes with a soap bottle attachment, so you just throw soap in that, you attach it to the wand, tighten it in, and now you're ready to clean. What we're going to do now is turn the unit on by pushing this button right here. The unit will only kick on when you are pulling the trigger, so it really helps conserve the energy, and it's extremely quiet. Listen to it actually running. It's amazingly quiet. You can't even hear it over the water hitting the metal. The only noise you really get from that power washer itself is a low hum, and it's only on when you're pulling that trigger. Now you can see here we're at a more of a narrow stream. It really does fire a long way. So if you're trying to go up a little bit higher on your roof or your gutters or whatever you're trying to clean, you can do that. And it also focuses in a little bit more if you want to knock down some heavier debris or mud or something like that. So let me show you the different adjustments here. We're going to fan this out. Now again, this is a light duty use type of unit. What's really cool about this is it only weighs 24 pounds, and the only thing that you really have to hook up to this is the water. No cord, no gas, nothing. The battery is already built into this unit. You do got a really nice spray here. You got a nice fanning motion here, and you got that nice tight stream that you can really pull down those cobwebs or whatever you're cleaning. But again, let me stress to you, this is a light duty use only. I was using this on the diamond plating in front of the garage where I bring my tractor in and out of, and it did a really nice job getting into those crevices and cleaning that mud off, all of the dirt, all of the grass, all of that fun stuff that you get all over the place. So no issue there at all when it came to that lighter use. Now when I stepped this up to a heavier application where it came to some mold or some embedded dirt on this plastic here, it just wasn't powerful enough to actually spray that off. Being said, this really isn't designed for that. I do understand that. I just wanted to put it to the test and see if it would do that. However, when it did come to the cobwebs and the dirt and debris over here, Real easy to take that stuff off, not an issue at all. This would be perfect for cleaning your RV, your boats, your cars, and so on. If you think you're going to clean your sidewalk and driveway, it's not going to do that for you. Again, this is a 36 volt. The battery capacity on this is a 6.0 AH. Charging time on it about 4 to 5 hours. Run time on it with a full charge about 32 to 35 minutes. Now the max flow rate on this is estimated at 1.32 gallons per minute. Another thing that they claim is that this will give you 4 times more of a lifespan on this unit than conventional electric units. At this time, that's something I can't prove or disprove. Can say though, however, is that it is an extremely portable unit. It runs off the battery, only 24 pounds. The only thing you really have to hook up to it is the hose itself. The battery does everything else. And if you know the limitations of the unit, I think you'll be really happy with it. That being said, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at toolreviewzone.com, and we will be back with more videos soon.